Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a special treat that's sure to satisfy any chocolate lover out there. Chocolate filled baked cookies. Into a large bowl add flour, sugar, baking powder and mix it. Into that add some cold butter. Mix it with the flour. Once it turns into a crumbly texture like this, add in some milk and vanilla essence. Now mix it and make it into a smooth dough. Transfer the dough into a piping bag, and here I am using a basket weave nozzle. Once you pipe out the dough, place a small chocolate piece in the center and roll the dough around the chocolate. You can use chocolate chips, chocolate chunks, or even your favorite chocolate bar broken into pieces. Just get creative with it. And now it's time to bake these delicious treats. Bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for around 12 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown around the edges. And there you have it. Chocolate-filled baked cookies are ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy these chocolate-filled baked cookies as much as I do. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking!